golden hour. What a beautiful day. Classic stories. Day 1 is almost gone. Now slowly the riders will have to turn on the lights in half an hour and ride on to Roubaix. I'm now at the Christmas Route, one of the 3 legendary plug streets of Gent Wevelgem. After this they go to the Leie, then they ride on next to a canal to Roubaix to see the velodrome. Morning, Erik.
It's almost afternoon.
It's almost afternoon. You're 1 hour late, but your adventure started really early this morning in Brussels?
Yes, at around 6 o'clock I left to the train station, but there I figured I was too early, much too early. So I thought I'd go to Asse or Alost, and there I missed all trains each time. So I had to cycle to Ghent. Very nice.
So you already added 80 kilometers or something?
Yes.
Yes, but I mean, going towards Ypres, the whole headwind, and now finally no more headwind.
See you tomorrow again on Facebook with a lot of in-betweens. Pictures, some movies, some lives, and on same on Instagram, and also late in the evening when sun goes down I will make a new video, probably somewhere in Flanders, because I think Yves and Michiel will ride Roubaix by night. Most of the others will do it by day, so that they probably can see some riders that are training. I will follow both, but because of the distance will be quite big, I will have to choose.